In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook Play Sound, grayed out on Windows 11. If the Play Sound option in Outlook is disabled and you can't turn it on, don't worry. This usually happens because Outlook's notification sound setting depends on a browser or app notification permission that hasn't been enabled yet. Once you update that permission, the Play Sound option should become available again. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. After Outlook loads, look to the top area of the window and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where you'll find most of the notification and behavior options for Outlook. Inside Settings, click General. Then go to Notifications. This section controls how Outlook alerts you when new activity comes in, including emails and other updates. Under the Notify Me About section, expand the Mail category so you can see the available options for mail notifications. At this point, you may notice that the Play Sound option is grayed out. That means Outlook is currently preventing you from turning on sound notifications because a required permission has not been enabled yet. This can be confusing since the option is visible but not clickable. To fix it, stay in the Notifications area in Outlook and look for the drop-down arrow related to notification permissions. Click the arrow down, then select Allow Notifications to Play Sound. This gives Outlook permission to use sound as part of its notification behavior. After selecting that option, click Save to apply the change. Once that's done, scroll down again to the Mail notification settings and check the Play Sound option. You should now see that it is no longer grayed out and you can enable it normally. This means Outlook can now play a sound when you receive new mail notifications, depending on your notification settings. If you don't see the change immediately, give Outlook a moment to refresh the settings page or reopen the notifications section and check again. In some cases, settings don't update visually right away, even though the permission has already been saved. And that's it. By updating the notification permission first and then saving the change, you can unlock the Play Sound option in Outlook on Windows 11 and turn it on without any trouble.